Hi, I'm Joshua. I'm Staff Engineer, Product Applications at ADI, and I will showcase the demo at the Trinamic Motion Control and Precision Current Sensing. Today, billions of motors are consuming more than 40% of worldwide electricity. To reduce the carbon footprint and also to make the industry more sustainable will require the use of more efficient motors. FOC, or field-oriented controlled motors, are significantly more efficient and also reduce power consumption compared to traditional open-loop designs. However, they require more complex software as well as hardware implementation. So this demo shows an easy-to-implement FOC servo motion control system to maximize the energy efficiency of a motion control system. The real-time critical FOC is implemented in hardware as opposed to software in the TMC4671 servo controller. The AD8410A high bandwidth current sensors measures the current in the phase of the motors, which are required of the controller to control the torque just with the right amount to balance the pendulum, even if it is pushed. Additionally, the AMR current clamp meter is integrated here, which uses the ADAF1080 magnet field sensors, which measure the current of the actual system. The TMC4671 servo controller and the AD8410A current sense amplifiers enable the customers to build energy-efficient FOC control systems without expert knowledge in motor controls. The ADAF1080 current sensor uses a contactless method to measure the currents without the need for flux compensators or shielding, which greatly reduces the cost and the complexity in the system. In conclusion, the ADI current sensing and ADI Trinamic industry-leading portfolio enables efficient motor control systems which the users can use to create sustainable production environment. If you would like to have more information on the ADI current sensing or ADI Trinamic product portfolio as well as evaluation possibilities, please visit our website.